To start creating Android application, you have to install some software on your machine. The first one is Java and the second Android Studio. So in this episode, I'll guide you through how to install Android Studio on your Windows machine. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Let's get started. Press on the Windows key, type terminal to open the terminal application. In the terminal, type Java and press enter key. This message shows that you don't have Java installed in your system. However, when you type Java and you get this message on the screen, it means that you have Java installed. So before you download and install Android Studio on your machine, let's see the system requirement. So at least you're supposed to have Windows 8 installed, 8 gig RAM, and the processor of this specification, and the storage of at least 8 gig. Usually you should have like 128 gig and above on your machine. But this is what Google recommends. But at least you should have this in order to run Android Studio on your machine. To download Android Studio, open your browser and search Android Studio. Select the first link that comes up. Click on this button to download the application. You have to accept the terms and conditions, and then click on download to begin the downloading. So you have to wait for it to complete. Open the browser and type Java JDK to download the Java JDK. Select the first link. Now scroll and select the Windows platform. Select the second option, 64 installer. Wait for it to complete downloading. Now let's install Java. Double click the downloaded Java file. Accept the prompt. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Wait for it to complete installing. Now it's done. Click on Close. We need to add the file location where Java has been stored to the environment variable. So click on this PC. Click on Program Files. Click on Java folder. Click on the Java installed. Double click on the bin folder. So we need to add this address or location to our environment variable. Press on the Windows key and type environment. Press enter or select the edit the system variable. Once it's open, click on environment variable. Come to the section system variables. System variable section. Look for path. Look for path and click edit. Now open the bin folder and copy the location including the bin folder. copy that address and come back to your environment variable. Click on new and paste the address there. Click on OK. Click on OK. And then click on OK again. Now we are done. Press on the Windows key and open your terminal. Type terminal to open the terminal. So now type Java to test whether Java is successfully added to your environment variable. Once you see this message, it means you've successfully installed Java. You can also check the version of Java on your system by typing Java -- version. So it displays the version of Java and the year of release. Now let's install Android Studio. Double click on Android Studio. Accept the prompt. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next. Click on Next and click on Install. Wait for it to complete the installation process, and then now it's completed. Click on Next and then finish installing. This opens Android Studio. These are just some small finishing you have to do. So this is Android Studio installed successfully, but we have to install other libraries required for Android Studio to run successfully. So you click on Next and then Next to install those libraries. These are the libraries. It includes the build tools, the platform tools, the emulator. Accept this. Scroll up and accept the second one. Click on Finish. Wait for the installation to complete. Then you click on Finish. Now you've installed Android Studio successfully.